Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Oppo phone guys accessibility setting, and I will show you guys how to on and use talkback. Friends, you want to on and use talkback in your Oppo phone, so how to use talkback in Oppo phone today I will show you. And sorry guys. So friends, open your phone setting to on guys talkback, and today friends we will talk about guys talkback full setting. What is talkback? How to use talkback in Oppo phone? Friends, we will click on guys Oppo phone guys additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can see guys your accessibility setting. We will click here friends, you can see your talkback setting, so guys click on talkback. So guys we will on talkback. From here friends, you can see talkback will on, and guys how to use guys one tap and get double tap here guys. So friends, you can back one tap with double tap guys, one tap and double tap to back, and guys home button and double tap. Friends, you want to close app, one tap double tap and two finger guys, you can close your app. So guys, now let's see how to use talkback. So a talkback, a person who is blind guys, they cannot see properly guys, they use talkback, because guys after talkback guys we can operate our phone without looking at screen. How guys? Friends, you can see guys, when we will click, when we will swipe with two fingers, you can swipe guys, one finger guys you cannot scroll your screen. So friends, you can see guys when your eyes is closed, so guys when you will click on any icon, music, friends you can see file. So friends, you can see file, so guys you want to open file, so guys you can open with your double tap. You want to back, so guys back button double tap, and guys close app, double tap here, one finger guys you cannot close, two finger we can close easily. So like that guy we can use talkback after. And guys you want to off, so guys click on your phone setting and double tap here, scroll it guys, is slowly additional setting guys, click here and double tap, accessibility setting one tap, and guys double tap here guys, talkback is on one tap and double tap here guys, stop talkback will off. So like that guys we can use talkback full setting, we can on use, and last guys you want to off, you don't want to use, so you can off one tap and double tap to continue. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.